give them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, give them up. Yeah.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all know what's going down, and y'all could see I got the new exhaust setup. So first and foremost, we're gonna start the video off with a cold start. So let me start it real quick. Let me fix the mat. So let me start it real quick. Fix the damn charger, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me see if this is gonna stick right here. Yeah, so let's get a cold start, guys. Okay guys, so this is gonna be like the first official video while driving with the new exhaust. So let's see, man. Right now I'm going to the bank real quick. I'm trying to like let it warm up just a little bit. I'm gonna let her go. But yeah guys, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And we got a lot of videos coming to the channel, and soon I'm gonna put the 360 cam on the back so y'all could see, y'all could get like a better view, and you guys could hear like the exhaust sound more. So damn, I love this new exhaust, man. I thought this straight pipe was gonna sound way louder than this, but it's not loud. You only hear it like when you press on it. But other from that, that's it. Now down in the comment section, man, if y'all like the new exhaust on the 535 F10. Let me know, guys. You could hear the turbo spool too. You could hear it way louder. And also, I don't even got a tune, and it's popping right now, but it's not popping a lot. I'm at the light right now. Damn, bro, somebody fucked up your trunk. Give it just a little gas. That shit sounds good. Damn, that shit sounds good, man. Money well spent. This video should be a nice ass POV for y'all, man. Damn, I'm really enjoying this, guys. right now this shit is in comfort mode. It's not in sport. And it sounds good, guys, no joke. It looks like we got a lot of traffic today, guys. And let me know if y'all like the harness bar. I painted it yesterday, so let me know if you guys like it. And I'm gonna go to my OG spot and I'm gonna show y'all what I've done so far. So let's go over there, man, where we could get a nice ass view. And soon we got a custom steering wheel coming for the 535, so stay tuned for that. And also I was thinking about getting some mats for the interior, so let me know. Damn, that shit sounds good. Let me cut it through right here real quick. Nice ass Honda, huh? I see you got a roll cage, nice carbon fiber. I can't wait to like get it tuned. Right now it's not tuned right now, but soon I'm gonna tune it soon, so stay tuned for that. You could hear the turbo spool a little bit louder. Remember last couple of videos when I didn't have the exhaust, this shit was quiet as fuck. But now we got an exhaust, guys. We finally got a single exit on the 535i. Got a busy day today, traffic everywhere on the Friday. Okay guys, so we reached to our spot. I'm gonna just go around and make a U-turn real quick. Ain't too bad, guys. You could hear like some small pops, but we don't have a tune yet, guys. That's what I was saying like earlier in the video. We don't have a tune yet, so you're probably gonna hear just some small burbles. Nothing too loud. We're at the spot, guys. Let me not turn it off yet, but I want y'all to hear how it sounds when it like when it's idling. Y'all could hear it. It's not that loud. So let me know what you guys think, man. And I let it push out like a good distance. Let me see if I could show y'all better. So y'all could see it like way out from like this side from the diffuser. And yeah, guys, and since last when y'all see the 535, y'all didn't see this, so I dropped this in so it could match up with the A pillar. So that's how it's looking, man. Let me show y'all on this side. Got a vehicle coming right now, so let me show y'all on this side. So we got the harness bar in. Let me know if y'all like this forged carbon fiber, the wrap. And we got the 3-inch single exit right there. So let me know if y'all like the build, man. And also I paint the brake calipers, so let me know. Got a nice ass cue right here. Show y'all the caliper better. So yeah, man, everything match up. I got the purple in the engine bay too. Let me show y'all real quick. I'm gonna wait till this vehicle pass real quick. Let me fly the bonnet. There you go. Got the purple on purple, so that's the theme we're going with. Also, I'm gonna have to put back my reflector right there because I make a mistake and push it out with my knee. But yeah, guys, the build is coming along well, and y'all already know I got the boost pipe right here. I was thinking about painting the boost pipe purple too, like the outer part. I was thinking about putting it in this color. So let me know if y'all would like a video on that. And also soon these gonna get painted. I'm gonna paint the bars, and also I'm gonna paint this black piece that comes all the way over here in purple too, so it's gonna look way better. So yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, man. And make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe. And that's gonna be the end of the video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.